You. Yes, you. Right now. How long have you been on your phone today? 2 hours? 3? 5? Don't worry, I am not judging you. Because here is the truth. It is not your fault. Your phone was designed to be impossible to put down by some of the smartest people in the world on purpose.
Welcome to Learn English and More. I'm Emma, he's Tom. Today, the science behind your screen addiction.
Why you can't stop scrolling. Let's go.
Tom, what do you mean it was designed on purpose?
I mean that the biggest tech companies in the world, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, they hire psychologists, brain scientists, experts in human behavior, and they give them one job: make people stay on the app as long as possible.
They hire scientists to keep us scrolling?
Yes, and the main tool they use is something inside your brain, a chemical called dopamine.
Dopamine, a natural chemical in your brain that makes you feel good. A small burst of pleasure. We say your brain releases dopamine when you eat chocolate. Social media triggers dopamine. Every time you see something interesting on your phone, a funny video, a new like on your photo, a message from a friend, your brain releases a tiny burst of dopamine, and it feels good.
The problem is your brain wants more, always more. So you scroll again and again, looking for the next burst.
Scroll. To scroll means to move up or down on a screen with your finger. We say, I was scrolling through Instagram for an hour. Stop scrolling and go to sleep. This is probably the most important modern English word that textbooks don't teach.
And here is the trick. The apps are designed so that you never know what comes next. The next video might be boring, or it might be the funniest thing you have ever seen. You don't know, so you keep scrolling. Just one more.
Design. We know this word for fashion or art, but here it means something darker. To design means to create something with a specific purpose. These apps were designed to be addictive, not by accident, by design. You said the word addictive. What does that mean exactly?
Good question. Addict.
Addict. A person who cannot stop doing something, even when they know it is bad for them. We say, he is addicted to coffee. She is addicted to her phone. Social media addiction is a real problem. Originally used for drugs and alcohol, now used for phones, games, and social media too. If you check your phone 100 times a day, you might be addicted.
And the apps use specific tricks to keep you addicted. Trick number 1, infinite scroll. Before 2006, websites had pages. You read page 1, clicked next page, read page 2. There was a natural stopping point. Then someone invented infinite scroll. The page never ends. You just keep scrolling. Forever. No stopping point. No signal that says you are done.
So they removed the finish line.
Exactly. Trick number 2, notifications.
Notification. An alert on your phone. A buzz. A sound. A red number on the app icon. We say, I got a notification from Instagram. Turn off your notifications. Every notification pulls you back to the app. Someone liked your photo? Buzz. Someone commented? Buzz. Someone you haven't talked to in 3 years posted a story? Buzz. Each one is designed to make you open the app.
And trick number 3, the algorithm learns what you like. It watches what you stop scrolling for, what you watch twice, what you like, what you share. Then it gives you more of exactly that. It builds a perfect, personalized trap.
That sounds like manipulation.
It is.
Manipulate. To control someone's behavior secretly, without them knowing. We say the company manipulates users into spending more time on the app. Don't let advertising manipulate your choices. Stronger and darker than influence. When someone manipulates you, they use your own psychology against you.
And here is the fact that should make everyone stop and think. Many of the people who designed these apps do not let their own children use them.
Wait, The people who built these apps don't let their children use them?
Yes. Steve Jobs, the creator of the iPhone, limited his children's screen time. Many Silicon Valley engineers send their children to special schools where screens are not allowed. They know what these tools do to the brain.
So they build the trap, but keep their own families out of it.
Yes, and the effects are real. Studies show that people who use social media more than 3 hours a day are more likely to feel anxious, lonely, and distracted.
Distract. To take your attention away from what you should be doing. We say, my phone distracts me from studying. I was distracted by a notification. The opposite of focus. Social media is the most powerful distraction machine ever created.
So, Emma, is it hopeless? Can we ever put our phones down?
No, not hopeless. But it takes something specific. It takes being conscious. Conscious. Aware. Knowing what you are doing and why. We say, be conscious of how much time you spend on your phone. She made a conscious decision to delete the app. The opposite of automatic. Scrolling is automatic. Putting your phone down is a conscious choice.
And it takes intention.
Intention. Doing something on purpose, with a plan. We say, I opened Instagram with the intention of checking one message. Then I scrolled for 45 minutes. When you pick up your phone, ask yourself, what is my intention? If you don't have one, put it down.
And finally, it takes the ability to resist.
Resist. To fight against something. To say no when something is pulling you. We say, I couldn't resist checking my phone. Resist the urge to scroll before bed. Every time you resist one scroll, your brain gets a little bit stronger. Now, let's play. 2 truths and a lie.
3 facts about phones and your brain. 2 are true, 1 is a lie. Fact 1. The average person touches their phone over 2,600 times per day. Fact 2. The color red is used for notification badges because red triggers urgency in the brain, making you feel you must check it immediately. Fact 3. Scientists have proven that people who completely stop using social media become happier within 24 hours.
Which is the lie? Think. Here is the answer.
Fact 1. 2,600 touches per day. True. Research shows heavy users touch their phone thousands of times daily. Most of these touches are unconscious. You don't even realize you're doing it. Fact 2. Red notifications trigger urgency. True. App designers chose red specifically because the human brain associates red with urgency and importance. It is a deliberate manipulation of your psychology. Fact 3. Quitting social media makes you happy in 24 hours. The lie. Studies actually show that the first days without social media can feel worse. Anxiety, boredom, restlessness. It takes about 1 to 2 weeks before people start feeling calmer and more focused. It is like breaking any addiction. It gets harder before it gets better.
Did you guess it? Tell us in the comments. Now, today's 10 powerful words. Say them with me.
Addict. A person who cannot stop doing something harmful.
Scroll. To move up or down on a screen with your finger.
Dopamine. A brain chemical that makes you feel pleasure.
Notification. An alert on your phone that pulls you back.
Distract. To take your attention away from something important.
Design. To create something with a specific purpose.
Manipulate. To control someone's behavior secretly.
Resist. To fight against something. To say no.
Intention. Doing something on purpose, with a plan.
Conscious. Aware. Knowing what you are doing and why. 10 words for the digital age. You will use all of them this week.
That was the science behind your screen addiction. Dopamine traps, infinite scrolling, notifications designed to manipulate you. and the people who built it all keeping their own children away from it.
But now you know, and knowing is the first step. Next time you pick up your phone, ask yourself, what is my intention? If you don't have one, put it down. And maybe pick up your English instead. We have a free PDF lesson guide for you. All the words, the story, exercises, and a quiz. Click the link in the pinned comment below. It's yours forever.
Subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Goodbye, my friend. Now put your phone down. Go outside. Breathe. Or watch one more episode. We won't judge.